You're basically looking at 3 things in order to be able to put this pay plan together. So productivity, efficiency, and effective labour rate. Why? Because our goal for any bonus scheme in an auto repair shop is to sell the maximum labour that we can, obviously along with our parts. But given that labour has such a big impact on our overall profitability and your technician's main job is to sell labour, then we need to focus around there. You can, of course, from time to time, add different little incentives just as one-offs if there's something with high margin that you want to drive through the shop. But as a benchmark, let's go with those 3 things. Then you've got to reverse engineer the result that you're after.